Namaste everyone, myself Dr. Gayatri Patil and welcome to my channel Health Innova, where health comes first. Okay, so today's topic is about some essential vitamins and the simple lifestyle changes you can have to restore your hormonal imbalance. So, hormones that play a key role in emotional state in both male and females, but the females who are likely to suffer to extreme just because of her monthly menstrual cycles where the huge changes in her hormones occurs. So at certain phases of her life also she suffers from this hormonal shift or this hormonal fluctuation, like as in at puberty, during menstrual cycle, during pregnancy, or at her menopausal age. So if this hormonal shift persistent for a longer time, she will definitely show up with some symptoms. So that symptoms of this hormonal imbalance are like weight gain, then the facial hair growth, then loss of libido, then symptoms of PMS, that is premenstrual syndrome, like depression, anxiety, mood swings or abdominal bloating, constipation, then hormonal headache or migraines, the breast tenderness or breast lump, your recurrent urinary tract infection, vaginal dryness, water retention, hair fall, etc. So there is a good news is that with some proper nutrients and essential vitamins and just simple lifestyle changes can restore this hormonal imbalances. So what are the essential vitamins you can have to restore this hormonal imbalance? So the first one is vitamin D. So vitamin D is well known for its it helps in a bone mineralization. It regulates the hormone insulin and hormone thyroid hormone, so that it will ultimately regulates the blood glucose level and thyroid functioning, and again it will help in a hormonal um, help in balancing hormones. So the daily requirement is 600 to 800 international units. Then the sources is the sunlight is the rich source of vitamin D, where 15 to 20 minutes of sun exposure is good enough for a daily requirement to fulfill your daily requirement. Then again the eggs, mushrooms or milk also has a vitamin D. Then the next vitamin is vitamin B6. Yes, vitamin B6 is well known for alleviating the symptoms of PMS, that is premenstrual symptoms, where you get the symptoms like mood swings or sudden fluctuation in the moods or some depression, anxiety, then abdominal bloating, constipations, breast tenderness, etc. So this will again help to restore all this hormonal changes in the body. And the daily requirement of vitamin B6 is 1.2 milligram per day. Then the sources is eggs, milk, banana, then peanuts, oats. There are good sources of vitamin B6. Then the next vitamin is vitamin E. Vitamin E is well known for its effects during the menopausal age, where it has a great amount of antioxidants. So it will again going to boost your immune system, and it will also help to restore all that menopausal symptoms like vaginal dryness, loss of libido, hot flushes, night sweats, and again it will going to balance your hormone. Then the daily requirement is 15 milligram per day, and the sources of vitamin E is fatty fishes, then almonds, then sunflower oil, soybean or soybean oil. So the next vitamin is vitamin B3 or niacin. So vitamin B3 or niacin is has ability to help to relax the muscle tissues and the arteries, so that you will get a restful sleep at night, and it will relaxes the arteries, so that it will increases the blood flow and it will decreases the blood pressure, and again it will help to help in restoring your hormones. Then the sources of vitamin B3 is meat, eggs, pork, then fishes are the rich sources of vitamin B3. Then the next vitamin is vitamin C, or the ascorbic acid. So as this has the great amount of antioxidants, it will help in boosting your immune system, and again it will reduces the oxidative stress, and again the inflammatory changes in the body, and this will again help to restore the hormones. So the daily requirement is 60 milligram per day, and the sources are all sour fruits are the rich sources of vitamin C, like oranges, amla, mosmi, strawberry or kiwi. Then what are the simple lifestyle changes you can have to restore your hormonal imbalance? The first one is have an adequate protein at every meal. At least 20 to 30 grams of protein at every meal is essential. Then next is get a regular exercise. You can have isometric exercises or just a strength training exercises, but get a regular exercises is important. Then the next is get a consistent and restful sleep at night. Then next is avoid overeating or undereating. At least 1200 calories per day is essential for your body to function properly. Then the next is drink plenty of water, and the next is consume healthy fats. Then avoid having sugars or the refined carbs. Then indulge yourself in some good activities to manage your stress, so listening to the soothing music or just meditation or yoga, but manage your stress. So these are all from me. If you find this video really helpful, then hit on a like button and encourage us. If you have any comment, if you have any question, then comment down below. If you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, then subscribe to our channel. And if you have any queries, then please let us know. Thank you so much.